is like this, and that is the top view. You label it in full, top view. This is the vertex and this is horizontal. That's the whole figure. If you analyze the figure, you need the true length of this one, true length, true length, true length. However, you're lucky because this one and this are equal. And this is also equal to that because this is symmetrical. This is 1/2 there. Okay? So, what we will do is do a line, and as like what we did here, we position this one horizontally so that you can have the true length. We will position this horizontally, not there, but there. Okay? So, we can do it this way. We can do it this way. So finally, we have the true length for 1 and 2, if this will be numbered 1, 2, and the true length for 3 and 4, if we number this 3 and 4. Those are the 4 true lengths you need when you draw the arc. So 1 for 3 and 4, that will be for 3 and 4. The other for 1 and 2. Now we begin. So we have this one. 1 and 2 will be in the same arc. 1 and 2. For that. 2 and 3 will be that distance. But 3 will be located in arc for number 3. And 3 and 4 will be in arc 3 and arc 4, which is this one. So 3, 4, 2, 1. So follow? Okay. Finally, 4 and 1. So you have 4 and 1. Not here, because this is for 3 and 4. But there, because this is for 1 and 2. As this is number 1. What's kulang? You have a base. The base is 1 like this, 1 like that, 1 like that, 1 like that. The base is this one. So, as big or as small as that, you can draw a 90-degree there, 90-degree line, and measure. This one will be equal to that. So that's the rectangle for the base. So what is the measurement of this? It comes from here. If you will trace, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Tama ba? No, this is 3. 2, 1. 1. 1 to 2. Pag tiniklop mo yan, itong 2 ay tatapat dito. Try it. You cut out the paper. So, since I don't want you to draw the whole figure, may kabigatan, I will cut it. What we call truncate it. Horizontal. This is the figure. Now, bring it up there for that. Bring it up there for that. And you have that rectangle. So that is the figure that you have there. Label it, top view, front view, full view. And then this one will be development. Now, you will cut it, you will get it from the true length, just like your previous plate. You cannot measure it here because this is false. This one is true. So we want true length, true length. Therefore, we now have for 1 and 2, this one. And for 3 and 4, this one. 3 and 4. 3, 4. That's the development of this figure. So this is what will remain. I will erase that. You tracer, top view, front view. Some people are asking, sir, ano itong view? Sabi ko, unsymmetric. Sir, hindi. O ano yung alam mo? Front view. Bakit ka nagtatanong? Now we will proceed to these two figures.